Hi, welcome to On Tuesdays We Train. I'm Joel Everson, Business Development Director here at PM and Associates in Indianapolis. Today we're going to be talking about Acorn safety products. So whether you're looking for an eye wash or an eye wash safety shower for your project, we can help. They're in stock here at PM Associates here in Indianapolis. There's no freight on any additional if they're part of our quick ship program. We also have thermostatic mixing valves and now pressure reducing valves. If you'd like more information about Acorn safety products, please visit our website at p-massoc.com and make sure to tap that subscribe button below. Thank you and have a good day.